Shenzhen Ledodm Lighting Company Limited, established in 2013, a nationally certified high-tech enterprise specializing in one-stop research, development, sale, and service of LED strips, neon lights, cob strips, aluminum profiles, and related accessories items. All products are distinguished by high brightness and long lifetime, which are approved by ETL, CE, RoHS, FCC. Located in Shenzhen, our factory covers the area of about 5,000 square meters and has more than 120 experienced employees. Our R&D team focused on lighting solution with 10 years experience and multiple automatic and multiple semi-automatic production lines, which truly achieve more stable quality and faster delivery. We always insist on providing every customer with high quality, high performance, high guaranteed products. Nichia, Epistar, Samsung, Sanan are all our main raw material partners. Ledodm Lighting guarantees that the quality of the lighting products provided meets international quality inspection standards, and we provide 3 to 5 years of quality assurance services for all products. During the warranty period, if the product is damaged due to product quality or material quality, Ledodm is responsible for repairing or replacing the damaged product free of charge. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting current products from our catalog or seeking engineering help for your application, you can discuss your procurement needs with our sales. All of our sales have been trained by the R&D team for 6 months, and we can give you feedback within 24 hours for all of your requirements.